Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be completing an ALU activity. There are some materials that you will need. Let's look and see what they are. You will need your timer, your iPad set to 15 minutes, a pencil, crayons, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and this worksheet, activity sheet. If you don't have those items, pause the video and go and get them now. Okay, welcome back. The first thing I want you to do is to set your timer for 15 minutes and start it. So pause this video and start your timer. Great job. Boys and girls, the first thing I want you to do is get your pencil and write your name at the top of your paper. Pause the video while you do that. Super. Now I need you to get your scissors and cut all the way across this dotted line and then cut out each of these different food items. Cut on all the dotted lines. Pause the video while you do that. Does your paper look like this now? Super. Let's look and see what we are going to be doing. We are going to look at the food items and decide if they are a healthy eating choice or a not healthy eating choice. All the choices that are healthy go over here where the little girl has a great big smile and really healthy looking teeth. The not healthy items are going to go over here where the little girl has a bit of a frowny face on. So you are going to need your glue stick. So get your glue stick ready, and let me tell you what the items are. The first item is pie. Is pie a healthy eating choice or not a healthy eating choice? I'm thinking in my head. I'm thinking that it's a dessert, and even though it has fruit in it, possibly if it's an apple pie, it's not a healthy choice. So I'm going to glue that right over here on the not healthy side. You are going to continue to do this with all of the other foods. Let me go over what they are. This is an apple, fries, grapes, cake, banana, carrot, and pizza. Pause the video while you glue all of those in the correct spot. Do you still have some time left? Great! Now I want you to use your remaining time to color in the pictures as neatly as you can. Show me your really neat handwriting. Pause the video while you do that. Boys and girls, if you're at this point of the video, that means that you are all done. I want you to take a picture of your activity sheet and send it to your teacher on Seesaw. Then you can stop your timer and put your paper away and go to your next activity choice.